Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Today we're going to be doing a Super Mario fire flower on our 8-bit grid style. You know, the old classic pixelated video games from the 80s. We're going to do the fire flower today, and so what we've done here is we've taped our paper down. We've taped a piece of grid paper down that you can buy very cheaply and affordably in these grid notebooks. The grid means there's squares going up and down, and then what we're going to do is we're going to put our drawing paper on top, our marker paper on top of the grid, so that we can see the squares and follow along. The squares add as a guide, so I'm going to tape using masking tape or painter's tape because it comes off really easy without tearing the paper. And we're gonna do the fire flower right here in the center, okay? So let's start with our black marker. And basically what we do in these grid squares, we just count the number of squares, mark them off, and fill in the squares. It's as easy as that. So let's start with black, and we need to count off 10 squares. So right in the middle, let's say we do, let's start right here, why not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the top of our flower right here. I'm going to scoot the controller out of the way. And we're going to just simply trace those squares that are underneath our paper. So we have 10 squares to start off. And then over here we're going to do 1, 2, 3. See how that works? Same over here, 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3. So I made a mistake there. That's okay. We always make mistakes and we will fix it a little bit later. And then coming down, we need 1 square down, 1 square down, and then 1 square over, 1 square over. Okay, and then we're going to count 5 squares down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Connect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Connect. And we're going to draw a square over here next to that 5th square. Bring a square over here. And then below we'll draw a square underneath. We're just basically drawing the outline of the fire flower. And we'll do 2 more. And then we're going to drop down, and we're going to connect this whole line. Connect. There. Drop down and connect here, okay? Okay, and there's our black outline for the fire flower top. We're going to continue with our black around, so we need to find the middle. Here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and we're going to drop down 5 squares. Watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and we're just going to outline those squares. And black. The middle here is going to be green, and we're going to start to do the stems out here. So we're going to count up 1, 2, 3. Do a square. Do another one on this side. Do 2 squares in black. Do 2 squares up in black. We're going to do another 2 in black. And the fire flower is what allows Mario to be able to shoot or throw flames, right? Do you remember that game? Okay, so on the end of it, we're going to do 1, 2, 3. Okay. And over here, we're going to do the same. We're going to come over here, 1, 2, 3. And just trace those squares already. We need to do 1 square in black here. Come over here. Basically, we're just doing the same on both sides, okay? That's why I keep switching back and forth. We're going to drop down and do 2 squares. One, 2. And then we're just going to fill this whole row in. This is easy, so we're going to connect there, drop down, and connect there. Okay. Good job, you guys. So put your black, actually we're going to bring this black marker back in a minute. But now we're going to do green. This whole area is going to be filled in with green. So all of this will be green. Let's just do that now. So now we're going to outline we're going to find our yellow squares. Everyone get a yellow. We're going to find out where the yellows are going to go. So we need about 6 squares. We're going to start, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is correct. Okay. So we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares. We drop down and we need 2 more. 1, 2. Come over here. 1, 2. And we drop down to 1, 2. Drop down to 1, 2. Come over. 2. Come over. 2. Drop down 1. Drop down 1, and now we're just going to connect this in yellow. Alrighty, so there's our yellow outline, and in the middle of the yellow is our 2 black eyes. So we're going to go back to our black marker really quick, and we're just going to mark off where these fun black eyes are going to be. So there's 1, 2 squares, drop down, 2 squares. Color those in black just to show where the flower's eyes are going to be. Okay, and we're actually going to leave these 2 squares right here white. So don't color those. I'll mark those off right now. Okay. And I wanted to do this really quick so you could see that these 2 squares are white. So leave those white. Okay, everybody, let's color this in. We'll hit fast forward. Thanks for drawing with us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Super Mario Fire Flower 8-bit video game graphic. Enjoy.